Today I'll be showing you how to add user pictures on your learning space. Okay, these steps are very easy, so I want you to just follow me step by step. Now, first of all I need to do is to click on my user management on my main menu. So I'm clicking on user management on my main menu, and I'm going to be picking the specific profile that I want to add the pictures to. Specific profile I want to add my picture to. So I'm going to be picking a staff. Okay, let's work with Mike Michael. So I'm going to be clicking on the profile of Mike Michael, and right on Mike Michael's profile I'm going to be clicking upload profile picture. Upload profile picture. So I'm just going to use any picture of my choice. Any picture of my choice. So once I do that, the picture will be taken from my gallery. So this picture has successfully been updated. So this is how you update a user picture on your learning space. Okay, so let's do another practical. First of all, I go to my user management on my main menu. Let's work with a student. So I'm clicking on my student. I'm clicking on the profile now of any student of my choice. So I'm clicking on the student, and at the top part of the interface where we have upload profile, I'm going to be clicking upload profile. It's taking me to my file manager where I'll have to select my picture, and once I'm done, the picture is saved automatically. So there's no much stress to this. So these steps are very easy. So this is how you add your profile picture to any user on your learning space. Now, do not forget to click the subscribe button to stay updated on our latest video. Thank you for watching.